Friends, education, industry, your day-to-day life, your input, what you have been getting, it works hand in hand. See, whenever you start with your basics, like you first take admission in your nursery or play group, there is always a blank mind in the mind of a child as a student. But yes, there is something which is there in the mind of parents which make them aware that this is how a child should be groomed and this is what he should get in the best. See, when you are in school, there is never a faculty or a stream. You are being taught from numbers, alphabets till you pass out 10th. There are in number of subjects. There is no differentiation in your stream or your sort of degrees or whatever you achieve in further. That is because they want you to get yourself groomed, polished, in thorough. So even after 10th, if you feel that yes, I want to go to science stream, I want to go to arts, I want to go for commerce or any n number of faculty available, you should be prepared with all available resources. This is always been updated and our teachers always bang on your head, please be attentive, look what we are teaching, learn. That is not because they have to fill the timetable or the class. It is because they want you to be a brave human. Same when you enter a college, when you choose that even till 12th, the studies is same. And after 12th, then you have n number of streams. And then after passing your graduation, post-graduation, your MPhil or PhD or whatever is available, then you choose a field where you want to earn, when you want to live your livelihood. If you want to really succeed in your life, never, as this is my personal opinion, it might differ from person to person, but never start a business as soon as you pass out. First have an experience. Look for a job. At least do it for some time, because when you have your superior, you are answerable to them. When you have your inferiors, when there is a down the line chain, then you have to take out a work from them. This makes you more compatible, competitive and more experienced. Then when you start your business or like there is a promotion, then it won't be very difficult for you to cope up with difficult times which might come in your life. Because see, life is something which is never a very smooth like a single highway, which you, not in India but abroad when you see. Yes, I hope that soon India will be having a 6-lane, 5-fluored flyovers. People will be abiding by laws, traffic signals will be followed, traffic sense, common sense. People will be asking question to whom they elect. Of course, this is there, this will come in more, because now it's time that if you have to stand in the market, you should be self-sustainable. When you go for any sort of trainings or teachings besides from your academics, you always have to keep it in mind that what exactly it is useful, that if I do this workshop or if I have this side course, it will help me in gaining. Over there, if you feel that okay, I'm not sure that which field, there are lot many counselors, there are career maker, those who help you, please take help. Your teachers, your mentors of your college, of institutes are the best people. You can ask them, they will guide you. There are people like us who are taking every information, every availability of contact is with you. You can ask your institute, they will provide. Most welcome, you can ask us how we also came up with difficult times, and overruling it, we have succeeded and have reached to some position. Nobody is indispensable. So friends, students, never be afraid of a setback or a fall. Always keep it in mind. If you fall, then you get up with a great bang, with a valor, and that is how you win. Now if you could see that when industry specifically, like if you call of Nasik, we are more into automobile and switchgear sector, but in spite of this common thing, just a minute, hold on. Coming back to industries, see, we as an Indians have come up with lot many items, lot many things, components, products, which not only in India but on the globe is been on high demand. See, if we say as a company means is a group of people or things or machinery which come together, come up with an innovative idea or a product, and which has been open up in the market where we all consume it. Considering the current scenario, not as this COVID or pandemic is going on, you can check it out ages and from past when the employees and the group of people came together, used their brains, used their valor, used their smart thinking and their just to make the thing grow as a group, we have succeeded. Whatever thing you can check it out, we have got so many patents, we are doing all over good. The Indian kitchen utensils and products are liked worldwide. They have been brought and the highest market, if you could check this current scenario on the Google, you will come to know. See what we expect from the current students who are taking this education. No doubt that it might be that the syllabus is not matching to the mark what the current requirement of an industry is. But yes, as an industry, as an association, we are promoting the current updated and upgraded systems to the students as an stipend, as an you can say workshop. We give it free to the students. Even the colleges approach us, we approach college. See, what is required is, of course, hard work is there, but now hard work alone won't count. You have to do it smartly. See, when you're studying, you always have in mind that I want a AC cabin, I want a absolutely high paid package, and everything what I do should be appreciated. Of course, this should be there in the mind, but what should you give in return? See, एक बात तो पक्का है, घर पे माता पिता को वही बच्चा अच्छा लगता है जो हुनर के साथ हो. नहीं होता है तो ऐसे नहीं कि उनको वो बाजू में रखते हैं, पर ज्यादा पसंद हुआ आता है. सो दिस इज सेम व्हाट वी गो इन कमर्शियल बिजनेस. When you expect such a lot from your company, don't you feel that the company is also expecting something more out of you? See, what we distribute is what we get. If you want high-end package, if you want a good remuneration, you want an appreciation, you want yourself to grow, naturally when the company grows, nobody is going to keep you down. Simple example, like when we conduct interview, if we call a graduate from a commerce background and ask him, do you know filing? He is blank. So why? The syllabus is giving you everything. Only thing is now you have to implement things practically. Be innovative, be inquisitive, ask, share, learn. You can always be open up with everybody. If you find it difficult, please ask, no, I didn't get it. How to do it? How to achieve it? See, unless and until you're not sure that what you want to give, how can you expect somebody to give you in return? छोटी सी कहानी बताता हूँ. तानाजी तो अपने सबने देखा होगा. He was one of the greatest warrior, one of the clad or one of the maulas of great Chhatrapati Shivaji. See, what he said is, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, I will conquer this good, you don't come. Because if king is alive, then only the kingdom will move. This is what is required. This is not only history, this proves that if you want to be the best, if you want to get the best, you have to show your best. Small tips I would give before you are arriving even for campus interviews or when you are being called for some interviews. See, basically, first of all, you should be very neat, tidy, confident. No matter that you're not wearing a tie, you're not wearing a blazer, it's okay. But see to it when you're going for a company, be in your formal dress. When you're being asked, don't just go and appear for an interview. See, it is nowadays you can't be only a master of one. It is said that you have to be master of one and jack of all. Because there are so many elements which come into a growth of an industry or of a business. Now this COVID, everybody must have gone through a lesson that in spite of all odds, in spite of having lack of vitamin M, that is money, in spite of having less resource, we have survived and we have come up with a big bang. That is what is required. Though it may be pre or post pandemic, it might occur, there might be natural calamities, but we have to stand strong. See, when there is a person is interviewing a candidate, is it that he's doing a time pass? No. He wants a person, or they are looking for a person who is right for that job or for that place, which will in turn give them a growth, and that growth will automatically come back to you. Even now and then there must be classes, you must be have a group studies, there must be some extracurricular activities college and institutes or school provide. Be actively participating in it. Take proactively personal roles, personal goals, form it. See to it that whatever you're doing is understood by everybody. If it is not asked, did you get what I have done, or if somebody is asking, no, please explain, then you should be able to explain. That is how is you can say that we will be really Atmanirbhar. What is this Atmanirbhar? How can we say that ban China product unless and until we have our own? That is how. See, if we have to show a line smaller, how can you do it? It's simple. There can be a number of things. I will erase it. I will see to it that I cut it. But simplest way is what? Many must be knowing it. You draw a bigger line. And if you want to draw a bigger line, you have to think smartly. How you can be self-sustaining, how you can be, जो कहते हैं कि देशभक्ति कैसी होनी चाहिए, आप यहाँ पढ़ो सब करो और बाहर जाके दो, और जब ऐसा पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन आए तो आप वहाँ से सबको बोलो हमें वापस घर आना है. क्यों आना है? मैं ऐसा नहीं कहता हूँ कि बाहर जाके आप नौकरी ना करो या यू डोंट गिव योर एक्सपर्टीज, बट सी टू इट दैट you are really feeling proud where you have been born, brought up, your whole history, all your family is there. See to it that you first serve your nation. Mind my words, nation will give you back 10 times. This is what is needed now. If you always think that I should immediately get the best of the best, you should first immediately give your best of the bestest. Then only in return you will get. Currently situation, if you would think that yes, we are in bad situation, economy is locked since past 2.5-3 months, but yes, it is gaining. Still people are having good flow of orders, people are doing job. Even you can see medical field is at the topmost, everybody is good. So you have to think at present, when, how, what should I do that yes I can do it. That's why I said you have to be king of one but jack of all. This is the current, what you can say, your jargon, or what your logo or a slogan that you should follow. If this pandemic, whatever has given to everybody is, it has given us a tool which is called sustainability. It has given us a lot of patience, and it has taught us that if you take care not only of yourself but others, you are the winning power. And that is what is expected when you go through education systems, when they give you timetables, when there are classes to attend. That is the time you have to be punctual. पिक्चरें देखना, बंक करना, लाइफ में पूरी एंटरटेनमेंट सब मिलने वाली है, पर पढ़ाई, स्मार्ट पढ़ाई, इंक्विजिटिव, टू बी मोर एंशियस ऑफ व्हाट कैन इट बी मोर हेल्पफुल, ये आज ज़रूरी है. क्योंकि एक टाइम आता है कि जब आपको ये करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. देन इट इज़ अ टाइम दैट यू गिव व्हाट यू हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन, and that phase is going to come in everybody's life. Nobody is excused out of it. So my dear friends, see to it that whatever you're gaining, whatever you're doing, what the teachers, mentors are giving it to you in a sort of education, in sort of training, in sort of extracurricular activities, please accept it, please gain it, please try to inculcate it, not only by doing donkey work but by brain, smart work. Keep your all 5 senses intact. Sorry, there was a call. Please excuse me. Like, not only switchgear or automotive component is at boom or is at its peak in Nasik. If you could visit, you're most welcome. You can contact us, our association, as I'm the patron and the on body of NIMA AIMA, which is Nasik Industries Manufacturer Association, Ambad Industrial Manufacturer Association. You can see that many of the industrialists who are a small scale or medium scale are having their own products. They are selling it, and not only non-perishable, but we are great in perishable items too. The best is, everybody knows about Sula, what a history it has created. Everybody knows how onions and its different products, byproducts, are in huge demand in abroad. Pomegranates, grapes. Now, recently, one of our industrial own, Mr. Piyush Somani, has started a wine from jamun. This is something which is out of the box thinking, and yes, you have to think out of the box if you have to succeed, because howsoever, if you start your life with number one, you should always have a aim to make it number two, three, till the end, till what you can take it, because that gives you self satisfaction. See, many of the times it is always said, सर क्या करूँ, ये मुझे तो ये जॉब लेनी पड़ी, अब ठीक है कर रहा हूँ, पता नहीं, एक तो जब पेमेंट नहीं है. हम लोग सब लेमेंट करते हैं, वी ऑलवेज लेमेंट ऑन थिंग्स, बट सिंपल थिंग, व्हाई डोंट यू लाइक व्हाट यू गेट? व्हाई डू यू वांट व्हाट यू लाइक? हर किसी को मुकम्मल जहाँ नहीं मिलता, वो जहाँ मुकम्मल बनाओ जहाँ हम खड़े हो. So you always try to acclimatize with the situation what you are in, because keep aside business or a job or any profile, even for example your own stream, many of you might be there because your group, अरे मेरे दोस्त लोगों ने कॉमर्स लिया तो चलो कॉमर्स में ज्वाइन करेंगे. अब मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर कमिंग टू KTHM, तो चलो हम साइंस पकड़ लेंगे. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आपको पसंद हो, पर इसका मतलब ये भी नहीं कि आप उसमें एक्सेल ना करो, आप उसमें तरक्की ना करो. See, the best power is you can win the situation when you can overrule it which you don't like. जो आपको पसंद नहीं और आप उसमें एक्सेल करते हो, तो आप जैसा सक्सेसफुल इंसान इस दुनिया में कोई नहीं है. कितने बार ऐसे होता है कि आपके घर के खुद के रिलेशन, डैडी, मम्मी, योर ब्रदर, सिस्टर्स, योर वाइफ, इवेंचुअली योर चिल्ड्रन, नहीं होता है, बट डू वी लीव देम? No. We try to be with them. We always compromise what we say. It is not that compromise is you have lost. It is that you have won the situation. You have tackled it and you have grown from 1 to 2. What happens is we don't follow the alphabetical order. We start with E. That is ego. Ego इतना बड़ा हो जाता है कि A, B, C हम भूल जाते हैं. Attitude, your brain, your common sense. आप इसको नरिश करो, इसको नर्चर करो. Once, believe me, जो होशियार, those people who are intelligent and intellectual will never have an ego. अब कई एग्जाम्पल दे सकता हूँ, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम महाभारता's Arjuna till Swami Vivekanand, or rather even if you could take any of the freedom fighters who were there, कभी ego नहीं था. They did it with brains, they did it with the valor in their heart, and saw to it that in society, in totality, everybody gets benefited. So if you want to succeed, it can't be saying I did it. It has to be we did it. When you say that the failure is because of me and the success is because of us all, believe me, you will be the best person to lead your life. And that satisfaction, though might be I always discuss this example. Why only the names of, like, if you go from any ancient history or even a novel, some names are only been taken, like if you watch picture, Rahul, Raj. In ancient history, Pandavas, Kauravas. Why not other? Neither that time there were Suresh, Ramesh, Vilas, Ajay, Vijay. There were people, but those people are only discussed who have a success line even in minute in them. So always keep it in mind when you are studying, not only in your institutes but throughout your life. See to it that you give your best. You take out the best from others and give in return the best. The satisfaction is to the core. And believe me, whoever religion you are, that Lord Supreme of your religion will always be proud of you and will make you a successful person in any form. COVID or Corona or whatever this thing which is going on, which nowadays means today, I don't think we should discuss because this is all is gone. We have become more immune. Everybody, if you calculate the death rate, it is hardly 2.15%, and even in that 2.15%, there are 80% who has previous ailment. So now is the time that you should come out of fear. Of course, you should bind by the laws. Why it has to be told by the system or government that you please wear helmet when you're on two-wheelers, please wear your seat belt when you're driving, please follow the signals, please don't overrule the system. It has to be in you. It has to keep a distance. Why you have to forget everything? See, if this would have been carried out earlier in India, this wouldn't have spread at all. If you were always, instead of handshake, if you could have given a smile, a bow, what Japanese do. Follow something which is good. Why you have to condemn everything? Take always a positive thing. So when there is a calamity, or when there is a situation which is out of control, it is we who should come up on forefront proactively, say yes, whatever the situation, as a student, as a human being, as an industrialist, as a teacher, as a mentor, we will see to it that not only me but the whole society will come out of it. Because lockdown or keeping yourself away from death is not the solution, because death is something which is the only truth. If you consider that whatever 14,000 have died today, do you believe what is the death rate of the globe? 30 lakhs per month die throughout the globe, and more than 50 lakh are born. So do you think that this pandemic is really that harmful? No, it is not that harmful. Yes, physically some have might gone through a bad situation or bad phase, but it has taught us that no, this fear of getting ill or to die, you should overcome it by your willpower, that no, my immune system is best, I will fight it, I will win against it, and I will start my life back again. All the institutes now, this is going on with you online, because you are not allowed to come to the college, because they are not sure that you might follow the laws which have been prescribed. You might be together, you might fight or do anything which will create a problem. That's why this situation is there. Why don't you vouch from here that whatever it is, we will start again, we will see to it that what was going on will be in a better and more accurate way, and we shall succeed it. To sum up this in short is, whatever the situation, education is must. See to it that whichever language you are studying in, get yourself to the mark of that language. Go to the core, learn it fully, give your 100% for it, then only in your life you can succeed. Whatever the industry, whatever the line, whatever the job you will go for, you can win when you are thorough in your education. Not necessary that it is a technical one. Whatever you learn music, you learn singing, you learn art, you learn painting, you learn pottery, you learn traveling, you learn distance, space education, whatever you do, you should go through the core which will make you feel satisfied and lead a successful life. Friends, I think now it's the time that you should come back to us and make your tutors, your mentors, our facilitators like us feel proud about you. All the best, and may the best get the best. Jai Hind, Jai Matrabhumi.